Yes, my name's George. I'm 62. And about 6 years ago, I had a whiplash accident. A little bit before that. Shortly after that, I came down with a condition of ulcerative colitis. A lot of bleeding diarrhea, and I couldn't eat or drink, and I was treated for that. Doctors didn't know what caused it, and they did an endoscopy on me with a colonoscopy. And when the endoscope was removed from my throat, I was in violent hiccups, and that lasted for about 5 years, almost 6 years. And doctors didn't know what caused it, and I was becoming very frustrated with it. And I went to 4 different GI specialists, gastrointestinal specialists, and all they wanted to do is endoscopies, colonoscopies, and that was it. They would just say nothing's wrong with you, and they let me go. And the hiccups were getting so bad that I was thinking of, I call it euthanizing myself, because it was hard to just keep, I'll imitate just like almost 24 hours a day. It was hard to sleep. And I'm a dentist, so I started looking through textbooks. I started looking on the internet to see what could possibly be causing this. I came across nerve damage. Then I looked into what would cause nerve damage, and I came into people with whiplash accidents. And I happened to come across a video by Dr. Hauser, and I started looking at that, and I saw some interviews of patients who had ulcerative colitis and were cured by it by having their neck treated. And it all started to make sense for me. The cervical vertebrae, my neck vertebrae, apparently did something to my vagus nerve, and a vagus nerve controls your entire digestive tract and your diaphragm. The phrenic nerve goes near there also. And so I came over to his office. I lived 4 hours away, but it was worth it to me. A doctor in the past treated me, had been taught by him, and so I knew his name. And every treatment I had made everything better and better. It's almost like going through metamorphosis. Every time I was treated for a month, I would be changing. My neck would be changing, different symptoms would be changing. I'm on my 4th treatment today. Hiccups are completely gone. Oh, and I also had intense headaches behind my neck. I would say 10 out of 10. They would happen twice a month for about 5 days. And the doctors in the past, they wanted to cauterize a nerve, but they said it would have to be done every 3 months. Well, now, with the realignment of my vertebrae from the Prolotherapy, it's done whatever it has to do, like took pressure off that nerve. I have absolutely no pain anymore. In conjunction with the Prolotherapy, I was having chiropractic therapy done at the office here, and now I can turn my neck to the right. From one of my whiplash accidents when I was in the military, fell on my head. I could never turn my neck to the right, but it didn't hurt, so I just let it go. After this treatment now, for the first time in about 25 years, I can turn my head to the right and the left. I have no pain to my neck, and my neck feels like a tree trunk. It's very solid. And so my symptoms are all going away. I'd say about 95% have gone. I have slight little burp type symptoms once in a while, still from my diaphragm, but I'm happy if it is the way it is. But I want Dr. Hauser to do some final treatments on me. I also had my wrist treated, and that's about 50 or 60% better. I hit myself with a sledgehammer. Apparently, I don't know what I did, tore some ligaments maybe in my wrist. I couldn't open jars. Now I can do that, but it still hurts once in a while. But it's a treatment that inflames your tissues and somehow allows your body to heal in the correct way. It lets your body find where things should be, and solidifies and make them stronger there. That's why my neck feels so solid. I never realized how weak my neck was. But I would recommend this to anyone if you can't find out what's wrong with you and you think it might be skeletal or nervous, that Prolotherapy might be the answer to that. I'm very happy with my treatment, and as I said, it's not a one-shot deal. It's a therapy that takes time, and you heal as things go on. And this is my 4th treatment. I'm very happy with everything. I'm glad I did it. It's the best time and money I ever spent, and I recommend it to anybody who has symptoms similar to mine.